Welcome, beautiful soul. This is your time to come home to your inner knowing, to move beyond the noise and into your truth. Find your comfortable position. Let your body settle and relax. Let your mind quiet. Take a deep breath in through your nose and hold at the top. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Bring your awareness to the space between your eyebrows, to your third eye chakra, the energy center of your inner wisdom, clarity, and spiritual perception. I see a soft indigo light begin to glow here. Feel it pulsing gently with every breath. Let it dissolve any distractions and remove any sounds around you. Let it guide you inward. Visualize yourself standing at the entrance of a glowing cave. The walls shimmer with violet amethyst crystal, humming quietly with ancient wisdom. A smooth path curves ahead, leading you to the heart of the cave. And as you begin to walk forward, we'll count down from 10 to 1. With each step, you drop deeper into stillness, presence, and connection. 10. Stepping inside the cave, you start to slow down. 9. The air is cool and calm across your skin. 8. Your body relaxes deeply as you smell the dampness in this deep, dark cave. 7. Mental chatter begins to quiet. 6. You feel the weight of the day melting away. 5. You feel your feet against the cold earth. 4. A deep inner calm begins to rise. 3. Your third eye glows with clarity and brightness. 2. Stillness surrounds you. 1. You arrive fully at the center of the cave. Here before you lies a still, glowing indigo pool. Its surface is smooth like glass, reflecting only truth. You take a seat beside it, surrounded by a soft silence. Now gently bring your hand to your forehead and use your index or middle finger to lightly tap or press the yin tong point right between your eyebrows, right over your third eye. As you stimulate this sacred acupressure point, breathe deeply and slowly. Feel the activation, awakening your inner vision. This is your gateway to insight, clarity, and intuition. Say aloud to yourself, I open to my inner knowing. I activate my intuitive wisdom. I trust the guidance that rises from within. I know that I am always protected. When you're ready, lower your hand gently and return to stillness. As you sit quietly, the surface of the indigo pool begins to shimmer. A soft indigo light rises from its center, cool, clear, and luminous. It begins to swirl around your head, brushing over your forehead, your temples, and cleansing your third eye. This light clears old thoughts, doubts, mental clutter, and all the noise you've absorbed from the outside world. Let it pass through your mind like a gentle breeze, sweeping out what no longer belongs. Let this light settle your energy, refresh your insight, and make space for clarity. And now that your energy is clear, you gently gaze into the pool. Ask a question from your heart. Something you've been turning over in your mind. Ask it softly without expectation. Let the still water receive your question. And now, simply wait. Don't push, don't force, don't demand. Be open. You might receive a feeling, a word, an image, or just a deep knowing. You're not here to figure it out, you're just here to listen. Say to yourself, I allow my wisdom to rise. I trust in what I feel more than in what I fear. My intuition is clear and always available. Let these truths settle in. Take a final moment in the cave, knowing the space lives within you. You are the pool. You are the clarity. You are the wise one you've been seeking. Now begin to return to the outer world, bringing your awareness to the room you're in or space you're in, feeling your body resting. Opening your eyes. Welcome back.